First, select the vehicle make, model, version, system, and control module, then click Connect. To access this module, you must use the correct yellow adapter. Without the proper adapter, MultiEcuScan will not be able to enter the control unit. If you try to connect without it, the software may show a connection error or fail to communicate. Always check the required adapter before diagnosing the vehicle. Always check for errors. Then go to Parameters and scroll down to Dynamic Control Selector. Select it. Once selected, the current status of the DNA selector will be displayed. Move the DNA selector and monitor the status in live data. Check if the signal changes when switching between modes. If the status does not change, the issue is likely the selector switch or the wiring. If the status changes but the fault code remains, it may be an intermittent fault. If no faults are present, it was likely an intermittent issue. Click Disconnect to finish the diagnostic process. Don't forget, scan first, replace later. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to us. See you in the next diagnosis.